To use Studentvue, first you must log into your account using the username and password that you set. Once you log into Studentvue, you should see a screen showing you your class schedule. The Class Schedule tab shows your daily class meetings for the day. On the left-hand side of the screen, you should see a bar listing different screens you can go to. For Studentvue, Home is the first one. The home screen shows you both your daily class meetings and your scheduled meetings, along with recent events. Your Messages tab shows messages your teachers have sent to you. The Calendar screen shows your meetings and assignments. If you change your calendar to the month section, you can see your assignments and classes for the whole month. The Attendance tab shows your overall absences. In class websites, teachers can post messages for their whole class to view. Course History shows what courses you have taken and how close you are to getting the credits needed for graduation. The Gradebook shows your current grades in each of your classes. The Report Card tab shows any report cards or interim reports you may have received this year. If you are a parent logging into Studentvue, you will see the Messages page instead of the class schedule page at first, but other than that, it will be the same.